Hey guys, welcome to the 27th episode of my drift life. Let's enjoy this drone before we get into the topic of today. For today, we are actually working on a drag ring, and this is the finished look of the car before the first drifting event. So I walk through with you guys what have been done throughout a couple of weekends, and also how do I design the drag wing, why do I do it, what kind of material, what kind of process I have been through. I hope you guys find this useful and start making your own wing, your unique style own wing. So first, let me walk through you how do I inspire by this design. You guys know me, I'm a JDM guys, and even I really like the e36, but from the look of it, I want to add some JDM feeling. So as you guys can see, it's actually in Japanese culture, there was a otaku style of the car, which is my S13 is inspired from. So it's basically have a Japanese anime style body design, and also a drag wing with like overkill body liner style. So this is what I'm aiming for, and this is what I'm doing today. So basically, how do I start is using some cardboard to prototyping what is going to be on the car. So I just grab some random cardboard from my package and make it to the wing. First I make a giant ring. It's a little bit ridiculous, like overkill from it. So you can see it's like way too much. Like I do receive a lot of feedback from my friends and on Instagrams that, oh, hope you guys don't like make it too big, right? So that's a good thing about prototyping with cardboard. It's a totally redo process, so you can make whatever design you want, and then look at it, like I can make a video out of it, and they can use to like how it should look like in all kinds of angles in the future, and how high I want to be, how long I want to be, and I just simply cut it. One thing to be aware is don't use the too strong duct tape. It may damage your paint if you directly tape it on the bodies. So next, let me walk through with you guys what tool and material I have been using. So I use a metal sheet for the side wing, and I use a plexiglass for the main wings. To cut it, I use some power hacksaw Milwaukee's, and for the brackets I use the Langle aluminum. So basically you just do it with your hand tool. Like, it's not perfect, right? But I think to me, as a drift car, I'm pretty satisfied to the outcome that I can make. It is also the first time I'm cutting metals and cutting all those like glasses, plexiglass. So the first one, I try to use some like drywall wood board, but I figure out those are not strong enough. It is light, but it's not strong enough. So I change it to a plexiglass. Afterward, all the material and tools are sourced from my local Home Depot or Lowe's, so it's pretty accessible. That's what I do, like random tools, random materials, and try to get the work done. So here is the finished look. You guys can see I'm pretty satisfied with it, and I think it's really unique too. So in order to buy a drag wing, you are looking at about $400. So you want to see how much I cost to making this. I'll say it's about $100, because the plexiglass is about $60, but the rest of the material is about like $20. So I'm not doing just that wing over the 2 weeks because I'm prepared for my first drifting event. So I'm actually doing a lot of tech related. No, actually it's just like look related molding for my e36. So the first one is the tail lights. I bought some LED tail lights for it, and then I changed the glass because they don't allow the glass has any crack on the windshield. And then I do a quick release hood latches because my hood latches is already broken and I don't think I can fix it. It's just super hard. So I do a quick release by drilling 2 holes on the hood and do the pin of it. It turns out really good, really aggressive look, racing car kind of feeling. I like it. And then we do a vinyl, which is the Diva vinyl, same as my S13. So now I have a Team Diva, which 2 cars, red and silver, gray actually, with the similar vinyl, so that the audience or someone that saw those cars can recognize, oh, those are from the same drivers. And the other mode is Momo steering wheel and NRG quick release hot. The result is pretty good because my steering wheel is kind of worn out. There was letters being broken on the steering wheel that makes the steering feeling really inconsistent. So I do this mode for it because steering accuracy in drifting is very important. At least I feel so. And then yeah, looks good, matching with the interiors, and I really like it. Oh, I also almost missed that my M3 shift knob. So this is the update for last couple weekends. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.